Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in here, I will demo for the last project of Android Studio. That is the video kajian. This is the, lecture video. Yeah, video kajian. This is the last part of Android Studio. So in here, we will go to layout first. In the layout, as you can see in here, so there are some video kajian like this, short kajian. That is helping parents by Ustaz Khalid Basalama. So yeah, this is the UI as you can see in here, and it can be scroll. And then next, this is as you can see in here. For this one, this is the icon of this, and the background of the orange one. So this is the like header. This code is for header in uh what is that? Kajian video, yeah. Lecture video. Okay, and in here, yeah, as you can see, this is the shortest XML code. Not gonna lie, so as you can see in here, only three what is this? Three part. So uh, this is show the RV inspiration kajian. So I will show you the this why you can the image. There's the image. So this take from item raw video kajian. So this is the item raw video kajian. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the image. So and this is the code. Let me explain first. So this code is construct layout. So the width is and the width and height is the wrap content. And this card view. So the card view is this. This is card view. The triangle, not triangle. Yeah, rectangle. And then it show card thumbnail. So the card thumbnail. There's the add new ID. There's card thumbnail, and then in next in here image. So image is adding the new uh, ID. There's IV item photo, and then for the Android I search you mean the image is available thumbnail video kajian. So see this the kajian. This is the code is on here, and then next this is for the play. This play button in the middle. So like for play the video. And yeah, this is the background like this is the background and more. Yeah. Okay, next we will go to detail video kajian. So this is when the web view YouTube player. So this is when you play the video. So and in here we use what's the name? It's like a plugin. I don't know. It's a com.pr Francis scroll free T Android YouTube player core player views YouTube player view. Yeah, and it's add new ID. There's a player video. Okay. And next there is a text TV channel in here. Yeah, TV channel in there. So and yeah, there's so many. And in here is a for arrow. I mean the share. So it's like YouTube if you know UI YouTube like that. So there's the title, description, and then this the comment like that. But I don't know. This is uh yeah, this is the view. Like maybe I need to run for the perfect one. Yeah. Okay. Next we will go to video kajian. The so different with the other. This is the most maybe one of the most class in this project. There is a video kajian list adapter class, and then there is a object class, and then data class. This is the class, yeah, class, yeah. So from video kajian list adapter. So in here, as you can see, when uh, variable image photo is image view, and then TV channel is the text view, and then TV speaker is text view, TV title is text view. So it show the TV item photo, yeah, TV item photo, and then uh next in here inflate out from item raw inspiration, item raw video kajian, yeah, the thumbnail one, and then next holder TV channel text is a video channel. So TV channel is a video channel, and then TV speaker is a video speaker, and then title is a video title. And we using glide from here from extension. Glide is from Grendel in here. Yeah, the glide. This the glide. So this is the plugin. Actually plugin from BAM Tech. Yeah. That's a for video kajian. And then this load video the thumbnail. Yeah, the thumbnail that so called bahasa lama thumbnail. And then next we'll go to video kajian data. So this the data for was that the yeah saving the data. So the object video kajian data, and then the thumbnail video. There's a actually some thumbnail. There is thumbnail video kajian 1, 2, 3, 4 till 5, and then there's a channel video like channel Khalid Basalama, and then official, and then there's a Ustaz Firanda channel, and then UV TV channel, Roja TV channel, and Romasyu TV channel. And then the speaker, there is Ustaz Khalid Basalama, and then Dr. Firanda Georgia NH, and then Ustaz Abdurrahman Toyib LC, and then Ustaz Abu Fairuz Ahmad Ridwan, and the last is Ustaz Muhammad Abdul Tawaisikal. So next, title video. So the title video for Ustaz Khalid Baslama is the Berbakti. I mean, yeah, being good to parents. And then the title for Ustaz Firan Jalan Juja is shape of grateful shape. And then next, the title of Ustaz Abdurrahman Tayyib is purpose of life. And then the next, Abu Fairuz, the title of lecture is so Surga cannot be reached by tire, yeah, being tired. Okay, next, the title for Ustad Muhammad Abdul Tawaisikal is Don't Waste Time. And the URL video, so this the URL video for Ustad Khalil, Ustad Firanda, Ustad Abdurrahman Toyib, Ustad Fairuz Ahmad, and Ustad Muhammad Abdul Tawaisikal. And this is the summary video, like the conclusion. Yeah, conclusion. Yeah, it's so long. I cannot show you. Okay, next there's a video thumbnail. So this is the position, the video thumbnail, and then video channel, and then speaker, title, URL, and summary. And yeah, that's the thumbnail, this thumbnail, and then video channel video. I mean, yeah, and then the speaker, and then the title, and the URL, and the last is summary. Okay, we'll go to video kajian model. So as you can see, this only create a data of variable. So there's variable thumbnail equals 0, and then variable channel it main auto, and then speaker auto, title auto, and then URL auto, and then summary auto. And then next we'll go to video detail video kajian activity. So as you can see, uh, this is so intended. So this the kajian, and then with judul the title, and then the about present from the speaker like Ustad Khalid Basama, and then from channel the channel of their channel like the Ustad Finan juga channel, UVTV channel, and then the link uh of the lecture. Yeah, and then here as you can see, there's the object that is for extra video kajian, so it means extra video kajian. And then yeah, there's the binding. So TV channel is a video channel, title is video title, speaker video speaker, and the summary is video summary is, and all of this is a text. So text, yeah. And then there's a extra text that is kajian dulu ya that I explained before, and then send item text is slash explain, and then start activity send it I10 intent. Yeah. Okay. Next we will go to menu video kajian. Yeah. This is for the binding. There is a private later, and for binding it menu video kajian binding. Yeah. And then next in here is a three binding. Actually, there's a video, always video kajian, but this one is set has fixed size, so fix it the site. And then is the manager of layout manager. Then is the adapter. So next is the override option boolean. Yeah. So when you click home, it will be finished. Yeah, and return to dashboard. Yeah. Okay. Maybe that's all for this demo for video menu kajian demo. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.